Assalamu alaikum. I am Ahmed. Today I am going to show you how to install PowerShape 2010 with Create with easy method. Before starting the setup, you have to click on subscribe and push the bell button for receiving more videos about for the help. Now let's go to start the setup. You have to click on next. I accept the term license agreement. Next. You have to custom and start. Now finish. That will message you must start your system for configuration changes made to the Delcam PowerShape. You have must to restart before the crack, but I'm going to go show you how to crack, how to transfer crack. I click this and copy. Now paste in the C file, program file, Delcam PowerShape system access. Now paste here. Replace. Continue. Now check. Now it's done. You have to work on the PowerShape. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.